Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start with 3 essentials: ID, a verified local account, and stable internet. Once those are ready, move immediately to the portal. Log in, navigate to the Kreupasanam services, and choose the online Udambadi form. This begins your formal request. Make sure to allow camera and microphone access when prompted, because verification often uses live capture. While filling the first page, prepare to upload 1 photo ID and 1 recent proof of address. Doing that now saves backtracking later. Once done with initial access, focus on precision. Type names and numbers exactly as on your ID because mismatches cause delays. Upload high-quality scans or photos of required documents. Make sure signatures are clear and files meet size limits. Then proceed to live verification, follow face match prompts, and accept the OTP sent to your phone. This step links your identity to the application. If you hit a camera error, retry after closing other apps, and ensure good lighting for accurate capture. You wrap up by reviewing the full summary, confirming every field, and agreeing to terms before you hit submit. This final check prevents avoidable rejections. After submission, copy or screenshot the confirmation number and watch for an email or SMS within 48 hours with the next steps. If the application is rejected, examine the provided error code and message. Then correct the specific document or field and resubmit. Resubmissions are often processed faster once the exact issue is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.